Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we can use the DISM command tool to repair our Windows 10 image. On Windows 10, the Deployment Image Servicing and Management DISM tool is designed for administrators to prepare, modify, and repair system images, including Windows Recovery Environment, Windows Setup, and Windows PE. However, you can also use it with the local recovery image to fix system problems. Let's see how we do that. For this lab demonstration, I will be using one Windows 10 machine, and I will be running the command prompt as administrator. Let's see how we do that. First, I'm going to go down here to the search bar. I'm going to type in CMD at the search, and I'm going to find the command prompt, right-click, and I'm going to run as administrator. Let's go ahead and make that full screen. We're going to begin by running the DISM command with the Check Health option. The Check Health option with the DISM determines any corruption inside the local image of Windows 10. However, this option does not perform any sort of repair. So at the prompt, I've typed in DISM space /online space /cleanup -image space /check health. Go ahead and hit the enter key. Now this is going to come back very quick, and it comes back very quickly, and it tells us that there was no component store corruption detected and that the operation completed successfully. That is to be expected if it finds no corruption. The next option that we can run is the Scan Health option. The Scan Health option performs a more advanced scan to find out whether the image has any issues. To check image problems with the Scan Health option, we perform the following steps. And so to perform the Scan Health option, I'm just going to change that last command from Check Health to Scan Health. Now this will take a little time, so be patient while it checks the current image that you're running against the files that are currently online from the Microsoft site. And so the command has completed successfully, and no component store corruption was detected. Now if that was not the case, for this last command, I'll bring it up using my up arrow. We can change the Scan Health to Restore Health, just like so. And now it will go in and it will find the corrupted files and it will correct them. And so in this short video presentation, you got to see how we can use the DISM utility to quickly perform a repair and restore our system image to its normal health. You got questions, you got concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.